वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूँ महबूब जमाल रोहानी। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैंने ये एमसीक्यूज़ फर्स्ट पेपर से इकट्ठे किए हैं, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो मैंने सोचा चलिए आप लोगों से भी शेयर करूँ ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट जो KPPSC पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन वाली जितनी भी पोस्ट है उसमें पाकिस्तान जनरल नॉलेज की बहुत ही अहम किरदार है। सारे टेस्टों में पाकिस्तान जनरल नॉलेज की 20 एमसीक्यूज़ तक होते हैं। तो आपने जितनी भी टेस्ट के लिए अप्लाई की है सारे के लिए ये एक ही लेक्चर आपकी पाकिस्तान जनरल नॉलेज का पोर्शन ज़रूर क्लियर करेगा। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ है। इस शॉर्ट सी वीडियो में मैंने 10-12 मिनट की वीडियो में मैंने आप लोगों को तकरीबन 160-170 तक एमसीक्यूज़ कवर की है। आपने 10-12 मिनट में सारे एमसीक्यूज़ को याद करना है। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट लेक्चर है ये। अच्छा चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ पाकिस्तान। सो आज तक हम ये पढ़ते थे कि टोटल एरिया पाकिस्तान जो है ना ये 7,96,096 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। लेकिन अभी 2022 और 21 के बाद हमने जम्मू एंड कश्मीर भी पाकिस्तान के साथ आज़ाद कश्मीर और गिलगित बल्तिस्तान भी पाकिस्तान के साथ काउंट किया है। तो आज़ाद कश्मीर और गिलगित बल्तिस्तान को मिला के पाकिस्तान की कुल आबादी 8,81,913 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। और विदाउट आज़ाद कश्मीर और गिलगित बल्तिस्तान पाकिस्तान की आबादी 7,96,096 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। तो ये एक पॉइंट आप लोगों ने याद रखना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ पंजाब। 2,05,344 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ सिंध। 1,40,914 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ बलूचिस्तान। 3,47,190 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ KPK। 1,01,741 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ इस्लामाबाद। 5 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ फाटा। 27,220 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। Pakistan lies between the latitude 24 north side से लेके 37 नॉर्थ तक। पाकिस्तान lies between the longitudes 61 ईस्ट से लेके 5 ईस्ट तक। Name the range which separate Pakistan from Afghanistan. Hindu Kush range. Question number 11. What is the height of Terchmere Peak? 7,690 meters. Question number 12. What is the height of Nanga Parbat Peak? 8,126 meter. Question number 13. Which of the following mountain peaks is called Killer Mountain? Nanga Parbat. What is the total length of Siachen Glacier? 5 kilometer. Baltoro Glacier is situated in the mountain range of Karakoram. 16. Question number 16. Which pass connect Chatral with Gilgit and is just 381 kilometer 381 meters long? Shandur Pass. Question number 17. Which of the following pass connect Abbottabad and Gilgit? Babusar Pass. Question number 18. Which of the following pass connect Peshawar with the Chatral? Malakan Pass. Question number 19. Manchal Lake is found in Dadu district. Question number 20. Famous lake Saiful Mulk is situated in Kaghan. Question number 21. The largest lake of Pakistan is Manchal. Question number 22. In which district of Pakistan Kahar Lake is situated? Chakwal. Question number 23. Satpara Lake is situated in Baltistan. Question number 24. Which of the following pass connect Dir and Chatral? Laurai Pass. Question number 25. Which of the following pass connects Sindh Plain with Quetta? Bolan Pass. Question number 26. Which of the following pass connect Chatral with Wakhan? Borogel Pass. Question number 27. Name the area which separates Pakistan from Central Asian states. Wakhan. Question number 28. The border between Pakistan and Afghanistan is called Durand Line. What is the total area of Azad Kashmir? 13,297 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ पाक चाइना बाउंड्री लाइन? 595 किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ पाक अफगान बाउंड्री लाइन? 2,252 किलोमीटर। What is the total length of Pak-Iran boundary line? 805 kilometer. What is the largest desert in Pakistan? Thar, which is located north in northeast of Pakistan. China, which is located east of Pakistan. India, which is located west of Pakistan. Afghanistan, which is located in south of Pakistan. Indian Oceans, which is the hottest place in Pakistan? Jacobabad. Which of the following places is the rainiest of Pakistan? Murray. Area around the river is known as Bela. Pakistan's plains are divided into two. The upper Indus plain starts from Kalabagh. The upper Indus plain ends at Mittancourt. The lower Indus plain starts from Mittancourt. The highest peak of the Kohi Suped range is Sakram, which is the highest peak of Himalayas range in Pakistan, Nanga Parbat. The highest peak of Karakoram range is K2. Bahawalpur is mostly consists of deserts. The climate of Pakistan is mostly referred as hot and dry. Question number 50. In which province of Pakistan there is no desert? सो डेजर्ट पख्तूनख्वा में नहीं है, इधर मैंने पी लिखा है लेकिन ये के पी है, के पी में डेजर्ट नहीं है। इन विच प्रोविंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान द डेजर्ट ऑफ थार लाइज? पंजाब। इन विच प्रोविंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान द डेजर्ट ऑफ थार लाइज? सिंध। थार जो डेजर्ट है ये सिंध में है, थाल जो डेजर्ट है ये पंजाब में है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। K2 is also known as Goodwin Austen. Question number 54. What is the total height of K2 peaks? 8,611 मीटर। Name the glacier which is located in Karakoram mountain range. ये ग्लेशियर जो है ना ये कराकोरम में सारी है, कराकोरम रेंज में है। सियाचिन ग्लेशियर, हस्पर रेशन, बातूरा, बायफो, चोगो, लोगमा, ये सारी जो है ना ये ग्लेशियर्स कराकोरम रेंज में है, माउंटेन्स में है। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल जनरेशन कैपेसिटी ऑफ वर्सक डैम? 240 मेगावाट। तरबेला डैम वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन 1976। द हाईएस्ट peak of Hindu Kush range is Trichmir. The highest peak of Salt range is Saksar. Name the longest glacier of Pakistan. Siachen. Chantar Glacier is located in the region of Chitral. How many peaks in Pakistan are higher than 8,000 meters? 5. 5 ऐसी peaks है जो 8,000 मीटर से ज़्यादा हाइट की है। The highest of Kohi Suleiman range is Takhti Suleiman. Siachen Glacier is located in the region of Baltistan. K2 is present in which mountain range? Karakoram. Nanga Parbat is located in Himalayas. Which is the highest peak of Pakistan? Rakaposhi. Which is the second highest peak of the world? K2. Which range separates China from Pakistan? Karakoram range. Which of the following passes connect Dera Ismail Khan with Ghazni, Afghanistan? Gomal Pass. Gomal Pass डेरा गाजी खान या डेरा इस्माइल खान गजनी अफगानिस्तान के साथ कनेक्ट करता है। Which of the following pass connect चतराल with Wakhan? खानकुन Pass. Which of the following pass connects Qilla Abdullah with Cheman? Khojak Pass. The first gas field discovered in Pakistan in 1952 was at Sui. Which province is the largest producer of natural gas? Sindh. अभी तक पाकिस्तान में दो ऐसे सूबे हैं जो ज़्यादा गैस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, एक बलूचिस्तान है, एक सिंध है, लेकिन जो करंट ज़्यादा जनरेशन होते हैं वो सिंध में होता है। विच प्रोविंस इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ ऑयल? पाकिस्तान में सबसे ज़्यादा ऑयल पंजाब में प्रोड्यूस होता है। डेल्टाज प्लेन पाकिस्तान स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम टाटा। व्हेन मंगला डैम वाज कंप्लीटेड? 1967। What is the total height of Khanjra Pass? 4,555 मीटर। Question number 79. Which of the following pass connect Baltistan and Yarkand, China? Mustaq Pass. Which pass is the highest pass of Pakistan? Mustaq Pass. सबसे जो हाइट पे है, जो ऊंचे पहाड़ों में है, वो मुस्ताफ पास है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पास कनेक्ट्स बनू पाकिस्तान एंड गजनी अफगानिस्तान? टूची पास। Which of the following pass connects Mardan with Malakand? Dargai Pass. Which of the following pass connects Peshawar with Afghanistan? Khyber Pass. Which is the largest freshwater lake of Pakistan? Manchar Lake. In which valley Lalusar Lake is located? Kagan. Which lake is located near Tata? Sindh. Kinjar. Rawal Lake is situated in Islamabad. Kevada is famous for the minerals of salt. Salt ठीक option है. Tooth oil of and natural gas field is located in Punjab. Kohi Sultan is located in Balochistan. Ghulam Muhammad Beraj was constructed on River Indus. Warsak project is located on Kabul River. What is the installed generation capacity of Mangla Dam? ये 1000 मेगावाट है. Wular Lake is a source of Jhelum. Haina Lake is situated near Quetta. Kalarkahar Lake is situated in Salt Range, Chakwal. Hub Lake is situated near Karachi. Haliji Lake is situated in Sindh. Kachora Lake is situated in Skardu. Which of the following lake is called Paradise of Birds? Haliji Lake. Which is the man-made largest lake of Pakistan? Kinjhar Lake. Kabul River is located in the province of KP. Name the nearest city from where Indus began its deltaic stage and breaks into many Tata. क्वेश्चन नंबर, ये जो टाटा में है ना, टाटा के करीब इंडस जो है ना, ये थोड़े थोड़े स्मॉल स्मॉल रिवर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है. व्हाट इज़ द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ जेहलम रिवर? 725 किलोमीटर. The Potwar Plateau is very rich in oil and gas. Warcha mine is famous for the minerals of salt. Longest tunnel of Pakistan is Khojak. Question number 108, 108. On which river Mangla Dam is built? Jhelum. What is the total length of river Ravi? 715 kilometer. Panjgora River is located in the province of KP. How many rivers flow in Punjab province? 5. Marala Headworks has been constructed on River Chenab. What is the installed hydroelectricity generation capacity of Tarbela? 3478 megawatt. Suleiman Ki Headworks is constructed on the river Satluj. Tremo Sydney Canal takes water from Tremo Barrage and discharge it into Ravi. The Chashma nuclear plant was built with the help of China. Bolan River is located in the province of Balochistan. How many rivers are present in Pakistan? 24. सारे जो rivers है पाकिस्तान में वो 24 है. Zob and Mola rivers are located in Balochistan Plateau. Jhelum and Chenab rivers merge at Tremo Headworks. The Indus River rises from Tibet. Which is the longest river of Balochistan province? Hangol. Son and Haro are famous rivers of Potwar Plateau. Which river is located? Which river is called Nil of Pakistan? Indus River. Where all rivers of Punjab enter into Indus, Metankot. Which is the smallest river of Pakistan? Ravi. Name the most polluted river of Pakistan. It is also Ravi. Which area has the biggest deposits of copper? Chari. Chari copper deposits are found in the province of Balochistan. Zain Mari are famous for the gas fields. Sendak project is producing copper, silver and gold. Which is the biggest natural gas field of Pakistan? Sui, Balochistan. What is the which of the following species metal is found in Dera Ghazi Khan? Uranium. Sulfur is found in the areas of Pakistan, Koh Sultan, which is the oldest hydroelectricity project of Pakistan, Malakan Dargai. Under Indus Water Treaty, which river were given to India, Satluj, Ravi. Under Indus Water Treaty, the rivers given to Pakistan was Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab. Baluki headworks was built on the river Ravi. Upper Chenab Canal takes up from head Marala. Diamir Basha Dam will produce electricity after completing 4,500 megawatt, which is the biggest earth-filled dam in the world, Tarbela. What is the installed capacity of Chashma nuclear plant? 325 megawatt. Warsak multi-project was started in 1960, 1960, when the Indus Water Treaty was signed, 19 September 1960. What is the installed electric generating capacity of nuclear plants? 787 megawatt. The origin of upper Baridoob Canal is Chenab. Name the longest river of Pakistan. It is Indus. What is the total length of Indus River? 2,896 kilometer. Dasht River is located in Balochistan. Purali River is located in Balochistan. Sindh project is producing copper, silver, and gold with the help of China. Which of the following are the biggest deposit of coal in Pakistan? Thar coal deposits. Muslim Bagh, which is famous for chromite, is located in Balochistan. Sindh project is famous for silver, copper, gold, all of these. So all of these is the correct option. The Basha Dam on Indus River is being constructed on northern areas. Hangol Dam is located in Balochistan. Producing capacity of electricity of Ghazi Barota Dam is 1415 megawatt. Peshawar district and major part of Mardan district are consisted of plain areas. Indus Plain is divided into four. What is the total length of Pak India boundary line? 1610 kilometer. What is the total length of coastline of Pakistan? 1046 kilometer. Pakistan is connected through Silk Road with China. The lowest point below the sea level of Pakistan is Indian Oceans. The highest point above the sea level in Pakistan is K2. Land situated between two rivers is known as Doab. सो ये 165 165 MCQs थे, बहुत ही अहम है आप सब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। तो मैं आप लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि इसके MCQs अपने साथ नोट करें, और इंशाल्लाह मैं ये 100% श्योरिटी से आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करता हूँ कि इन MCQs में से ज़रूर आपके टेस्ट में आएगा। ये बहुत हेल्पफुल वीडियो है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।